Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your brand with Google, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to Google My Business. Click on the Manage Now button. Enter your business name in the search bar. If your business doesn't appear, select Add Your Business to Google. Choose the appropriate category for your business. Fill out all required information including address and phone number. Make sure to select a location if you have a physical storefront. Next, add a business description that highlights your unique selling points. Upload high-quality images of your business and products. Verify your business either by mail, phone, or email as prompted by Google. Once verified, update your business hours and service offerings. Add links to your website and social media accounts for better visibility. Encourage customers to leave reviews, as these can enhance your brand credibility. Regularly update your Google My Business profile with new content. Monitor analytics to understand customer interactions and improve your strategy. Engage with customer inquiries directly through the Google My Business messaging feature. Finally, keep an eye on your brand's online reputation by regularly searching for reviews and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.